Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort contacts by first name on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. First of all, I'm going to show you that now my contacts are sorted by the last name, as you can see, because the second name, the last name is bolded. So if you want to sort contacts by the first name, what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on contacts, then click on a sort order and select the first and last. So first last means the first sort is going to be by the first name and then by the last name, because for example, 3 people that have the same name, but obviously they're going to get different last names. So first last means sorted by name, and last first means sorted by the surname. So this is what you want to click when you want to sort by name. So now let me show you that now every contact is sorted by the first name, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can change the sort type of your contacts on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!